Hello students, how are you? Students, today I am going to tell you the summary of the poem The Road Not Taken, which has been composed by the famous American poet Robert Frost. Students, Robert Frost was the poet of nature, and he always composed his poems for giving good messages to the readers by using natural objects. And this poem is about making choices. Students, according to Robert Frost, when we make choices or when we choose any profession, then before choosing that profession, we should think deeply about it. If we may get success in this profession or not, if we get success in our chosen profession or not. And we should not leave practicing our chosen profession. We should not be confused. We should not think about the profession which other people are practicing. But instead of doing this, we should only work hard in our chosen profession. If any person does not do this, then that person cannot get success. In this poem, Robert Frost was moving on the road, and when he reached at one point where that road was diverged into two roads, and on one road many people were traveling, and on the other road no person was traveling. And poet was thinking, if he started traveling on the road which was crowded, then he might feel difficulty to reach his destination. And if he started traveling on the empty road, grassy road, he might reach his destination very soon. And after thinking that, he started traveling on the empty road, without thinking the reason behind that, why the people were not traveling on the empty road. He should have thought, if many people started traveling on that road, and they might not get success. That is why they left that road and they chose other road. But the poet did not think, and while he was traveling on the empty road, he was looking towards the crowded road also, and he was thinking that one day he would also travel on that road. He was even confused after choosing the empty road. And poet is saying that confusion created the differences. What was the difference? That poet did not get success. Poet did not reach his destination easily. That is why poet is saying that with the help of this poem, he would he would tell, he would express his sorrow, his grief for not choosing the right road, for not making the perfect choice, for being confused in making the choice. And that became the reason of failure. Students, the roads are choice, the symbol of profession. And with the help of roads, with the help of choice, poet wants to say about our chosen profession. Poet wants to say that we should choose our profession, which on which we want to practice. Poet is saying we should choose our profession which we want to practice in order to get success by thinking deeply. And we should never leave our chosen profession. We should be dedicated towards our chosen profession. We should not be bewildered. We should not think after practicing 1 or 2 years that our chosen profession is not good. No, we should continue working hard in our chosen profession. And if we should do this, if we should not leave our chosen profession, then we get success. Then we will get success. So students, I think you will have understood the summary of this poem. Now I request you to read and write the summary which I will provide you in written. Tomorrow I will explain the poem line by line. Thank you and have a nice day.